Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. On offer today, this is our 1959 Austin Healey 106 BN-6 Roadster. So this is a two-seater model, really desirable, lovely addition or upgrade to this car. It's been fitted with a 3-liter engine and front disc brakes. So it's basically, you know, indistinguishable from a Mark I BN-7 with its mechanical upgrades. Austin Healey Ice Blue or Healey Blue or Ice Blue, either or. Navy blue interior, navy blue top and tonneau, 4-speed with overdrive, correct 48 spoke painted wire wheels. Really good, solid California car. We just purchased this car locally up in the Inland Empire. It's been off the road about 8 years, but had a very nice full cosmetic restoration, I think about 10 or 15 years ago. But yeah, 106 two-seater, so really interesting, desirable model. I think they only made about 4,000 of these, and we just had it detailed. We're gonna post. So like I was saying, we just had it detailed nicely. We're gonna be posting a driving video next week when the weather cools off a bit. We're gonna take it out on the road, and you're gonna have a really good driving video of this car. So yeah, wonderful, slightly older cosmetic restoration, base coat, clear coat, paint work, wheels, tires, chrome, pretty good panel fit on the car. This was born with a fixed steering wheel, so that's the correct trafficator for the steering wheel there. Yeah, newer windshield, really good chrome work. Pair of these Lucas fog lamps and stone guards, which gives it a really nice little competition driving look on the car. So interior wise, really lovely, all been completely restored. New carpets, reupholstered seats. The dash even came out, and that all came apart and was recovered in fresh navy blue vinyl. This is all the correct panel kit back here, correct seats, the armrest, you know, so it's a pretty nice, correct interior with very minimal wear on it. The trunk has a trunk kit installed, which is correct, with the big single flat surface there, and then the spare tire pokes through the little baggie there above the battery area, so that's all nice and correct. But yeah, really nice little car. It's showing 15,000 miles. It's probably 115,000. But like I said, it has that upgrade. I'll show you that right now. It has the upgrade of a 3,000 engine with front disc brakes, which was basically the only difference between the BN-6 and the BN-7. So this is a BN-7 with all the BN-6, a BN-6 with all the BN-7 upgrades. We haven't done much detailing under here yet. We've just cleaned it, but as you can see, it's really whistle clean and would be real easy to just paint the radiator and do some detailing on the engine block and have a really presentable, nice engine compartment. So you'll look forward to seeing this out on the road next week. But yeah, really great undercarriage. We laid all underneath it. We couldn't find any rust issues going on. Super dry, you know, believed to be California car from new. All original, excellent floors, inners, outers, outriggers, you know, super good, straight, solid. Excellent BN-6 here that has been fully cosmetically restored. Very good maintenance and repairs. We know the mechanic that's been taking care of the car during the past ownership, and it's been a well-maintained car, sparingly driven. Yeah, so there it is, 1959 Austin Healey 106 BN-6 two-seater Roadster, Healey blue, navy blue interior, with a navy blue top and tonneau cover, 4-speed overdrive, upgraded 3000 engine with front disc brakes. Beautiful, beautiful older cosmetic restoration. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.